What online business model do you think will be the easiest to start and scale in 2025? And how can you leverage current trends to make it work for you? Let me help you. Make sure to watch until the end as I will go over the best beginner-friendly online business ideas for 2025. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of online business opportunities for beginners in 2025. If you've ever dreamed of starting your own venture but didn't know where to begin, you're in the right place. We'll explore a variety of beginner-friendly online business ideas that are not only accessible but also have the potential for growth in the ever-evolving digital landscape. As we navigate through this video, we'll highlight key trends and strategies that can help you succeed in the competitive online marketplace. Whether you're looking to launch an e-commerce store, start a blog, or offer freelance services, we've got you covered. In 2025, adapting to the digital landscape is more crucial than ever, and we'll discuss how you can leverage technology and market trends to your advantage. So, grab a notebook and let's get started on your journey to becoming a successful online entrepreneur. E-commerce store. Starting an e-commerce store is one of the most promising beginner-friendly online business ideas for 2025. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce have revolutionized the setup process, making it incredibly easy for anyone to launch their own store without needing extensive technical skills. With user-friendly interfaces and customizable templates, you can have your online shop up and running in no time. However, before diving in, it's essential to focus on niche selection and market research. Identifying a specific niche not only helps you stand out, but also allows you to target a dedicated audience. Understanding market trends and customer preferences can significantly enhance your chances of success. For those looking for a low-risk entry point, consider dropshipping. This model allows you to sell products without holding inventory, minimizing upfront costs. You can test various products and markets without the financial burden of stocking items. So, if you're ready to embark on your e-commerce journey, now is the perfect time to start. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is an excellent online business model for beginners looking to generate passive income. In simple terms, it involves promoting products or services from other companies and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. This means you can earn money without the hassle of creating your own products or managing inventory. Popular affiliate programs like Amazon Associates and ClickBank offer a wide range of products to promote, making it easy to find something that aligns with your interests or expertise. These platforms provide the tools and resources you need to get started, including tracking links and marketing materials. To maximize your success in affiliate marketing, it's crucial to build a niche website or blog. Focusing on a specific topic allows you to attract a targeted audience, making it easier to convert visitors into buyers. By providing valuable content and genuine recommendations, you can establish trust and credibility, ultimately leading to higher commissions. So if you're ready to dive into affiliate marketing, now is the time. Online courses and coaching. Creating and selling online courses or coaching services is a fantastic way for beginners to monetize their expertise in a specific field. With the rise of e-learning, platforms like Teachable and Udemy make it easier than ever to design and launch your own courses. These user-friendly platforms provide all the tools you need, from course creation to payment processing, allowing you to focus on delivering valuable content. Sharing your knowledge not only helps others, but also positions you as an authority in your niche. Whether you're skilled in graphic design, fitness, or personal finance, there's a market eager to learn from you. The benefits of teaching online include flexible working hours and the potential for passive income as your courses continue to sell over time. To effectively market your courses, leverage social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Engaging with your audience through valuable content and promotions can significantly boost your visibility and attract potential students. So, if you're ready to share your expertise, now is the perfect time to start. Freelancing Services. Freelancing is an incredibly flexible online business option for beginners looking to turn their skills into income. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork serve as bridges, connecting freelancers with clients seeking specific services. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, or web developer, these platforms allow you to showcase your talents and find work that fits your schedule. One of the keys to success in freelancing is building a strong portfolio and personal brand. A well-curated portfolio not only highlights your best work, but also demonstrates your expertise to potential clients. Your personal brand should reflect your unique style and approach, helping you stand out in a competitive market. To get started, take some time to identify your skills and think about how you can market them effectively. Consider what services you can offer that align with your strengths and interests. By promoting your skills and delivering high-quality work, you can establish a solid reputation and grow your freelancing business over time. So why not take the plunge and explore the world of freelancing? Print on demand. The print-on-demand business model is an exciting and creative online venture for those looking to express their artistic flair while generating income. Services like Printful and Redbubble make it easy to create custom merchandise, from t-shirts and mugs to phone cases and wall art. With these platforms, you can upload your designs and they handle the printing, shipping, and customer service, allowing you to focus on your creativity. To succeed in this space, it's crucial to develop unique designs that resonate with your target audience. Stand out from the competition by offering something fresh and appealing. Additionally, effective marketing strategies are essential for driving traffic to your store. Utilize social media, influencer partnerships, and email marketing to reach potential customers. Tapping into trending niches can significantly enhance your sales potential. Keep an eye on current trends and popular themes to create designs that capture attention. By combining creativity with smart marketing, you can build a successful print-on-demand business that reflects your passion. Content creation and blogging. Content creation and blogging represent a powerful long-term online business strategy for aspiring entrepreneurs. By sharing your thoughts, insights, and expertise through written content, you can build a loyal audience and create multiple streams of income. Monetization opportunities abound, including ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links, allowing you to earn money while doing what you love. However, success in this field requires consistent content production and active audience engagement. Regularly posting high-quality articles not only keeps your audience coming back, but also improves your visibility on search engines. Engaging with your readers through comments and social media helps foster a community around your blog, making them feel valued and connected. To truly thrive, it's essential to choose topics you are passionate about. When you write about subjects that excite you, your enthusiasm will shine through, attracting like-minded individuals. So, if you're ready to embark on a rewarding journey in content creation and blogging, now is the perfect time to start sharing your voice with the world. In conclusion, we explored a variety of beginner-friendly online business ideas that can help you kickstart your entrepreneurial journey in 2025. From e-commerce stores and affiliate marketing to creating online courses and freelancing, there are numerous opportunities to turn your skills and passions into profit. We also discuss the creative potential of print on demand and the long-term strategy of content creation and blogging. As you consider these options, remember the key takeaways. Choose a niche that excites you. Focus on building a strong brand and engage consistently with your audience. Each of these elements is crucial for success in the online business landscape. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips. Don't forget to like and share this video with others who might benefit from it. Explore our related content to dive deeper into each topic, and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.